Hi, Bob Thompson for Smartphone Matters. In this video, I'm going to run some speed tests using Google's Project Fi cellular network. On the left, I have my Nexus 6. It has the Project Fi Basics SIM in it. And on the right, I have my Nexus 5X using the Project Fi data-only SIM. Now, I checked and made sure that both phones were connected to the T-Mobile network, and I just thought it would be interesting if we could see a comparison of the two phones on the same network. I'm not really sure what I'm expecting to see as far as results, but since I had the chance to do it, I figured I would just run the comparison and we'd take a look at it. If you saw my last video, we saw some very impressive speeds on Google Project Fi's T-Mobile network, and we saw some pretty decent speeds on Google Project Fi's Sprint network. So I'm just going to run 3 speed tests on each phone, and then when it's done, we'll take a look at the results. I run these tests in the office, so I can't narrate them as I'm doing it, so I have to add a voiceover later. And we're just going to let the 3 tests run here. We should be done pretty soon. With all the speed tests I've been running with these 2 phones on the Project Fi network, I've used up almost 1 gig of data for this billing period. I think I may have accidentally let my Nexus 6 do a software update over cellular data. I started an update using Wi-Fi, and I took the phone and left the house, and I don't think the download was finished, so I think it completed using my cellular data, so I probably used up a bunch of data doing that as well. It's pretty easy to do that if you're not careful. All right, taking a look at the results from the 2 phones, we see that the Nexus 6 was faster. For the first test, we had 20.03 megabits per second down, 4.29 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 29 milliseconds. For the second test, we had 21.22 megabits per second down, 5.14 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 19 milliseconds. For the third and final test, we had an 18.17 megabits per second down and 5.51 megabits per second up with a ping time of 29 milliseconds. Now let's take a look at the Nexus 5X. For the first test, we had a 14.10 megabits per second down, 4.5 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 24 milliseconds. For the second test, we had a 17.81 megabits per second down, 3.92 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 24 milliseconds. For the third and final test, we had a 14.09 megabits per second down, 5.05 megabits per second up, and a 32 millisecond ping time. So we can see from the results the Nexus 6 was a little bit faster. Now, I'm not going to draw any conclusion from this. I just had the opportunity to run these speed tests to take a look at what kind of speeds we were seeing on the Project Fi network between the 2 phones. And it doesn't seem to me that one phone is going to be particularly faster than the other. I mean, there is a difference here, but speed tests are highly variable. And I'm sure if I reran the tests, I would see different results. All right, well, hey guys, I made this video, so I just thought I would share it with you. If you found it useful, give it a like on YouTube. If you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to the Smartphone Matters YouTube channel. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them below, or better yet, head on over to Smartphone Matters, click the Ask button, and leave a reply there. Thanks for watching.